It's warmer in this garage than it is outside, and I bet you can say the same about the inside of your home. But be careful when it comes to your furnace. I'm Remy Murray with some tips to avoid a total breakdown. What did people do that caused an emergency to happen?
Many times with the furnaces, it may be a lack of preventative maintenance on the front end.
So your crews are out here busy?
Yes. You know, our crews have been working 7 days a week, 24 hours a day.
And HVAC's Plumbing and Heating president and owner John Langer says that round-the-clock service will continue, especially as it gets colder.
When you get into this industry, you know there's certain times of the year when you're really going to have to make yourself available.
Even Sal's Heating and Cooling plumber and sewer service manager John Havesi agrees.
All our guys are pitching in and making sure we take care of everybody.
While it's safe to say both HVAC companies appreciate the extra business, there are some steps you could take to avoid making that call, and that starts with changing your furnace's filter.
A lot of people, they say they forget. I always tell them, most people have a smartphone nowadays. Put a reminder, first of the month, check the filter. You don't have to change it, you don't change it. If you have to change it, you change it. You know, a lot of simple calls are because the filters are dirty.
Other recommended tips include making sure your thermostat works and watching how much you adjust it.
Set a temperature in your house and leave it there, because most furnaces aren't designed to operate when it gets below 0 degrees.
Finally, you are encouraged to check your furnace exhaust pipes and to regularly maintain your furnace and boiler.
Be proactive. Do the preventative maintenance on the front end, typically in the fall.
Between both HVAC companies, workers say they'll be busy but ready to answer those emergency calls. For News 5, I'm Remy Murray reporting.